In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Uber One subscription. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Uber application, then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it does say account. From here, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and if you do have the Uber One subscription, then you should see it as an option towards this menu right over here, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it like so. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and then select on Manage Membership. Then you want to go ahead and press on End Membership right over here. Now, if for whatever reason you do not see that option that says End Membership, do not worry. Do not worry, because Uber intentionally doesn't allow you to end your subscription if you're within 48 hours of the renewal period. So if you got billed on the 1st, then you will need to wait 48 hours before you can go ahead and actually cancel your subscription. And this is a tactic used by Uber One to try to make you forget to cancel your subscription. And yeah, I really don't like this policy, but yes, keep that in mind, guys. If you're not able to do it, then what I recommend that you guys do is wait 48 hours, and then after that you should be able to cancel your Uber One subscription. But obviously you want to make sure you remember to cancel the subscription. All right, but what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on End Membership, and then provide a reason why you're ending your membership, then go ahead and press on Continue. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe